Hey WordPress wizards! Did you know your dashboard is packed with hidden tools that can save you time and supercharge your workflow? Today, we're uncovering 8 sneaky WordPress features you've probably never noticed. Let's dive in. Ever feel overwhelmed by all the widgets and options in your WordPress dashboard? Let me show you 2 hidden gems that'll give you control over your workspace. First, meet the Screen Options tab up here. Click it, and you'll see magic checkboxes appear. These let you hide or show dashboard elements. Don't use Quick Draft. Uncheck it. Want fewer columns in your posts list? Pick what matters to you. It's like a decluttering button for your workspace. Wherever you are in WordPress, posts, pages, plugins, Screen Options adapts. Here in the editor, you can toggle meta boxes to simplify your writing area. Now meet its helpful neighbor, the Help tab. This is your context-sensitive guide. Writing a post, get formatting tips, managing plugins, find troubleshooting steps. Bonus, many plugins add their own help here with FAQ links. It's like having a manual that follows you around. Pro tip, use these to create cleaner dashboards for clients or team members. Hide what they don't need, keep the essentials. That's it. Go make WordPress work for you. Oops. Ever accidentally deleted a paragraph or wished you could undo changes from last week? Meet your new best friend, Revisions. Click Revisions, and watch WordPress reveal every saved change, even autosaves while you type. Drag this slider to travel through time. Watch text appear in green and disappear in red. It's like track changes for your entire post. Tap these arrows to compare specific versions side by side. Perfect for finding when that perfect sentence vanished, or when a client made unwanted edits. Found your golden version? One click restores it. But don't worry, restoring creates a new revision, so you can always undo the undo. See, your post is back to exactly how you wanted it. No more panic saving multiple drafts or keeping backup files. Pro tip, while revisions are lifesavers, they do add database entries. If your site slows down, plugins like WP Optimize can clean these up safely. Now write fearlessly. WordPress has your back. Every change, every idea, every, maybe this will work, moment is preserved. Ever feel like WordPress buttons and menus are tap dancing for your attention? Let's create your writing sanctuary. Meet your new focus zone. One click here, or press Alt-Shift, and watch the digital clutter disappear. Just you and your words. No sidebars. No notifications. No, maybe I should check that plugin temptations. Breathe easy, your formatting toolbar stays available but hidden. Hover near the top to reveal it temporarily. Works in both visual and code views. Perfect whether you're crafting poetry or tweaking HTML. Pro tip, use this for client presentations too. No confusing menus, just pure content review. When the world feels noisy, remember, your escape hatch is always one keystroke away. Is your WordPress site feeling under the weather? Let's give it a full checkup. No stethoscope needed. Meet your site's personal physician under Tools, Site Health. 2 tabs tell the whole story. Status is your diagnosis, info is your medical chart. Abandoned plugins. That's leaving doors unlocked. See these. Outdated SQL Server are like expired medicine. Each warning comes with a prescription to fix it. The green section is your preventive care. Watch your health status with each fix. Aim for that good state. It means your site's marathon ready, not just limping along. Pro tip. Good state means faster loading, better security, and happier visitors. Your SEO will thank you too. Bookmark this tool. One click monthly could prevent tomorrow's 2 a.m. crisis. Your website deserves better than WebMD guesses. When someone asks, "What data do you have on me?" WordPress lets you answer confidently and legally. Head to Tools, then Export Personal Data. This isn't just an export button, it's a GDPR-compliant workflow. Enter the user's email and hit Send Request. Here's why this matters. The system emails them a confirmation link to prevent unauthorized data access. Once they click Confirm, you'll get a notification. No more manual data hunting. WordPress automatically packages comments, profile info, and associated data. Download this ready-to-share zip file. Every piece is organized for transparency, meeting compliance requirements out of the box. Got a brilliant idea but don't want to dive into the full editor? Meet your brain's best friend, Quick Draft. Right here on your dashboard, this mini notepad lets you jot down a title, scribble a thought, and save it instantly. No navigating menus. No losing your train of thought. Just pure idea capturing magic. Boom. Draft saved. Now go back to analyzing stats or approving comments, your ideas safely tucked away. Pro tip. Find all your quick drafts lounging in posts, all posts. Perfect for when you're ready to expand that coffee shop list into a full-blown guide. Think of it as your WordPress sticky note. Because great ideas shouldn't wait for later. Editing posts one by one. Let's turn 10 minutes of work into 10 seconds with WordPress speed editing tools. Meet Quick Edit, your content tweaking sidekick. Hover any post, click here, and instantly change titles, dates, or categories without ever leaving the list. Perfect for fixing typos or adjusting schedules mid-campaign. Now level up. Select multiple posts and choose bulk edit. Need to mass assign categories. Add tags across 20 posts. This is your control panel. Watch changes ripple across all selected posts. It's like cloning yourself, but without the existential crisis. Pro tip. Combine Quick Edit for precision fixes with bulk actions for broad strokes. Your future self will reclaim hours every month. Stop pushing pixels, start pushing publish. Your workflow just got a turbo boost. Tired of mouse acrobatics while writing? Let's unlock WordPress secret handshake for power users. Meet your new productivity boosters. Control B for bold, Control I for italics, works just like your favorite word processor. Format headings. There's shortcuts for that too. Forgot a combo? Alt-Shift-H is your cheat code. Your personal keyboard cheat sheet. Works in both classic and block editors. Quick heads up. Some shortcuts vary slightly between Chrome, Firefox and Safari. Always check your overlay for the exact combos. These aren't just shortcuts, they're your ticket to writing at the speed of thought. Happy keyboarding. Pro tip. Combine with text expansion plugins for supercharged writing. And there you have it. 8 hidden WordPress gems. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress hacks. Thanks for watching. Go make your dashboard work smarter, not harder.